Hello friends, you all know that Bangladesh will be in amber listed countries in the UK from 22nd of September. So let's check out the amber list rules. So this is the website UKVI website where you can get all the authentic information. Yeah. So you can search the countries and territories which are amber listed. So these are the countries and here Bangladesh. Also keep in your mind that before this 22 of September, if anyone arrived there, they must need to follow uh, previous all rules and regulations. So these are the options you must follow. So take COVID-19 test before flying, and then after arrive you have to do another COVID-19 test and then complete a passenger locator form. These are the must options if you are vaccinated or not. So you will get all the information here before you are traveling to England. And then after you arrive in England, if you are fully vaccinated, you just need to uh, do a COVID-19 test. So if you are fully vaccinated, you can check their authorized fully vaccination program in this link, and there are so many instructions here, so you can see all the information here. So if you are not vaccinated, then what will be the rules? Of course, if you're not vaccinated, then you have to do a quarantine where you will be staying at least for 10 days, like in your own accommodation where you are going to live. So you can make own quarantine at home. So no need to take hotel quarantine there. And then you must need to do a COVID-19 test in the day of 2 and in the day of 8. So in between, in the first date, like in second day, if you are COVID positive, then you must follow you must follow the previous rules. You must need to follow. So that's all about our today's video. So please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.